Imagine a world where a simple video call could cost your company millions. Picture this. A bank employee receives a seemingly innocent request from the company's CFO. The request comes via email, followed by a video call for confirmation. The CFO's face, voice, even his mannerisms, everything seems authentic. The employee, duped by the eerie realism of deepfake technology, unknowingly authorizes a $25 million fraudulent transfer. This isn't a dystopian fiction, but a real-life incident in Hong Kong that underscores the alarming potential of deepfake technology and how it can be used for fraud. A deepfake is a digital photo, video, or audio file of a real person that has been edited to create an extremely realistic but false depiction of them doing or saying something they did not say or do. Such advanced techniques make it almost impossible to tell real from fake without a keen eye for detail. In the banking sector, where trust and authenticity are paramount, deepfake technology poses serious threats. Be it client verification processes, voice, and image recognition security measures, everything could be compromised. Deepfakes can facilitate unauthorized transactions, manipulate stock prices with fake announcements, create fake IDs, and more. The risk to financial security and personal trust is enormous. Let's play a game. I'm going to show you two videos. One is real, one is altered by AI. Can you spot the deepfake? Prime Minister Justin Trudeau recommended one of these books. Which one?
Book that I got excited about reading through. It's called This Can't Be Happening in Macdonald Hall. It's called How the Prime Minister Stole Freedom.
Yeah, it was the last one. The Prime Minister never said that. Okay, round two.
If you can see, I hope to finish this talk show one day.
Fake Morgan Freeman, please stand up.
I am not Morgan Freeman. What you see is not real.
How about these videos of Florida Governor Ron DeSantis?
I'm the only one that could possibly compete with Donald Trump.
Or this.
I took some very bad advice. I did some very bad things.
The last one is to trick you into believing that Ron DeSantis was dropping out of the race. Look at the mouth, how it is synced with the voice.
With AI, fraudsters can take 3-second recording of your voice. I've watched one of me on a couple times. I said, when the hell did I say that?
Awareness and understanding are the first steps towards defending against these sophisticated threats. We know that banking transactions by law rely on you to know your customer and have robust authentication processes. This is now at risk of being compromised with the ever-evolving power of AI, but you have taken the most important step of learning what is possible. If at any point in time something just doesn't look or feel right, unusual skin tones, odd lighting, strange shadows, awkward posture or body movements, inconsistencies in tone or lip sync errors, you should not initiate or complete the transaction. Discuss next steps with a superior, thus lowering the risk of being deep-faked. As we navigate the digital age, it's crucial to remember that vigilance, rigorous verification, and continuous learning are the keys to protecting our financial future from the risks posed by deepfake technology.